Hey, this is Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. I'm still out and about traveling this week, but I got another question I got asked that I thought I'd better answer. The question is this: is there a simple, maybe free, maybe fee-based tool that we can use to schedule appointments on a web, through email, and through other types of messaging? The answer is yes, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. But before I do, hit that subscribe button because I create all of these videos specifically for you. Look, I've been doing this for a long time. I absolutely hate bouncing back and forth with emails to find the best possible time to schedule a meeting, a phone call, a Zoom call, a seminar, whatever it is. So I found a way easier way to do it. And there's lots of tools like this out there, but I recommend Calendly. I absolutely love Calendly, and I use it for pretty much everything I do related to my business. Hang on one second, let me get into it. So I'm a Gmail guy, so my primary email address for this training course is burrisconsulting@gmail.com. So I've already set up my Calendly and connected it to my Gmail account, which again is burrisconsulting@gmail.com. And I've actually created a few little test events. They're referred to as events already. I love Calendly. I have it on my website so people can find the Calendly links on my website so they can schedule appointments with me. I put it in my emails to people. In phone calls, I generally will tell somebody, maybe I'll send them a text message as well with a link. I've also used text expanders, so I've simplified my calendar links. I don't need to type in the whole thing, calendly.com/burrisconsulting/ and the type. I just do a little short code with text expander. It makes scheduling way easier. And what you do is you just simply create an event. In Calendly, I'll create a new event. I'll do the basics. There's actually a course out there that I've created that walks you through all the details. I'll edit one of these events and show you what it's all about. You hit the edit button, and I can tell them what it is, tell them the type of call. By the way, I can also add a Zoom if I want to. If I have Zoom, I can make it a Zoom call, a GoToMeeting, a Microsoft Teams, whatever I've connected to my Calendly. And then I give them some instructions for them beforehand. I give it a simple little short code. Then, I let them decide, when do they want to schedule, 60 days out, 60-minute or however long. And I choose the schedule. I want to be available for them to pick from. I also put some before what I call buffer time, 15 minutes before, 15 minutes after, so it doesn't bump up against something else. And then I go ahead and I ask some basic questions. I can add more questions if I want to. I can turn on some workflows that automatically send them text messages or emails. I can give them notification and cancellation policy, create a confirmation page that they go look at, or I can send them to an external site if I want to, etc., etc. And then I can even collect money if I connect this to my whatever my tool is, PayPal or Stripe. But I also have to pay for Calendly. I'm using a free one right now, so I can't do it with a free account. And once I get this all set up, then all I've got to do is I've just got to send them this link. However I do it, here's the link right here. And you can see it's very simple, short URL. And furthermore, remember, I use text expander to make it even shorter so I don't need to type the whole string over and over again. And then I can share it again through my email, through my web page, via text message, however and wherever I want. Actually, I could even put a QR code on anywhere, and that QR code could drive them directly to one of these event types. And furthermore, when they schedule, it's going to show up in my calendar. It could send them a calendar invite, could send them an email invite. Instead of a calendar invite, I prefer the calendar invites. Put it in their calendar. It'll be in their calendar with the phone number or the Zoom link, with the questions that they ask and the questions that I asked that they answered. And so it's all transparent and right in front of both them and me. And there's a lot of other features built into Calendly, but I'm just speaking to this one topic. How do I create appointments for 30 minutes or 1 hour using the simplest tool possible? And I think the answer is Calendly. I'm Teddy Burris. your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. Get a free Calendly account, experiment with it, and I bet you'll find it'll serve most or not all of your needs.